Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is September the 4th. It's a holiday here in Canada and in the United States, Labor Day, and a lot of mentors will tell you don't trade on holidays, but I trade. If the market is open, I am trading. Now I have family visiting from out of the country coming here, and it's a little bit more difficult to trade each and every day, but I've had a few hours today, this morning, so I figured I may as well pull up the charts and do some trading. So don't let anybody tell you not to trade on bank holidays. As you can clearly see, I had a great day of trading. Now I would mostly focus just on the futures and the indexes, as the Forex market will be moving a lot slower, not as much movement, even though it is tradable. But if you want to grab some ticks, well, I highly recommend you do as I am doing on holidays. Today's date is Monday, September the 4th. And it's still morning time as I am, done trading. Looks like just before 11 o'clock. And I am just doing the video for YouTube as of right now. So at 6 o'clock in the morning, as usual, I'm in front of the charts right where this vertical line is, looking at, I actually did run a check on all the different instruments and looking at my daily trade plan, but I knew that I was just going to focus on the indexes. So we can take a look at that daily trade plan. Here it is right here. I was focusing on from crude oil down. And of course, earlier this morning, 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago, it was looking different at that point in time. Remember, you need some kind of a daily trade plan, or that is one very good reason why you are failing. So anyhow, if you have any questions about the daily trade plan, well, just Skype me. I do prefer Skype. Now, my system, the Super Scalper, uses this one indicator. It's called Super Scalper. When it changes from blue to yellow or yellow to blue, you'll get a pop-up alert. If I scroll down, you'll see it right here. The one that says scalping, you'll either get a buy or a sell alert. It just turned 12 o'clock right now, and we're getting some more alerts popping in, as you can clearly see. And of course, all the other ones that just say buy or sell, that is part of the super signal indicator. I would not trade any system. As a matter of fact, all the systems that I have, I automatically put the super signal indicator on it, as it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles. And of course, it makes trading much easier. At least it does for me. That's these ones with the blue and red arrows. Okay, now we can get into these trades. First one is the NASDAQ. Here we go. NASDAQ, I wanted to be selling it. There's the red arrows. Did one more cycle, and then another red arrow here. If I would have stayed in down to this area here, I would have made at least double what you see there. So anyhow, I took the trade at this point. Now the NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick. So the calculator says it should be approximately 12. So I'm locking in about 12 ticks. There it is right there. You remove the last 2 digits, and those 12 ticks times the money paid out $238. Moving along to the next trade, the S&P 500. This one pays $5 for each tick. Some of these trades I was trading actually if I'm selling above the goal line, well, that's just doing the pullback, and many times I've noticed over the many years of trading, not only will it break the goal line, but it'll just keep going. Just watch, if you have the Super Scalper, just watch the video on how to trade pullbacks. So here we go on the S&P 500. Scalper said to sell, daily trade plan. Right there, had to bring the arrow down a little bit closer. It said to sell, Super Signal sell, Super Scalper sell. So I knew it was going to go down with a very high percentage. For me, it's like 95% sure I know it's going to go down. And took the money, divided it by 5. Calculator says it should be 65 ticks. And there it is right there, 65 ticks. And that paid out $325. Moving along to the next trade. Dow Jones, same as the S&P 500, pays $5 for each tick. Same idea. From here down to here is pull back, breaks through, and just keeps going. Let's see where I finally made a decision. Basically right around the goal line after this arrow. Scalper said to sell, daily trade plan said to sell, Super Signal said to sell. Well, easy decision to make. Now I took the money and divided it by 5, and it came out to be exactly 110. There it is right there, 110 ticks, and that paid out $550. Okay, moving right along to the next trade, which is the Russell. This one pays $10 for each tick. This one here was easier to trade, at least it is for me. Qualified for a great way to trade. Many things saying it's going to go down, so I sold it. Sell here, daily trade plan said to sell, Super Scalper said to sell, so I sold it. Now looking at the money, it's easy to see that this should be 67 ticks. So from here down to here should be 67. And there it is right there. You remove the last digit, so it's 67 ticks. And that ended up paying out $670. Okay, moving along to the last trade, the DAX 30. Love trading the DAX 30. I could just trade DAX 30 alone, and every day it's producing really fantastic results. It does pay $3.75 for each tick. So first of all, let's see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling it. Super Scalper, sell. Daily trade plan, sell. And the Super Signal, there's the red arrow right there. So easy decision to make right here to sell. Went down a bit, sideways, went down some more. So right from this point, I think I'm going to have to drop it down to the 5 minutes, or else I'll never get there. I won't even... Makes getting the reading a little bit easier. In at this cursor, closing it out at this, what did I say, it was 720? Well, that's as close as I'm going to be able to get. It says 721, but it is 720 ticks. And that paid out $2,700. Now you know why I love trading futures and the indexes. It just produces every day. And of course, today being a holiday, so it might be just moving a little bit less. Tomorrow it'll be moving more. So, but I took a couple of days off. If you check, as I've been running around every day, sightseeing a lot of different areas here in Ontario, Toronto, Niagara Falls, all over the place, showing our family all the great attractions here we have in Ontario. Yesterday we spent all day downtown Toronto in the area of the CN Tower. Great views from up at the top. You can see all around, as it also gives you fantastic views. So anyhow, like I said, having a good time, and there's nothing wrong with making some money as you are having a good time. And you can duplicate the very same thing whether you're at home or on the other side of the world. No matter where you go, pull up the charts in the morning and away you go, making pips and ticks, which obviously will pay for your vacation. So I added up all the ticks. Today was just ticks. And I knew it was going to be well over 200, even 400. And because of this DAX 30, well, that was over 700. Grand total came to 974 ticks. And all of those ticks did pay out $4,483. So if your system's not producing on a daily basis, I recommend you get your hands on the Super Scalper along with the daily trade plan. And remember, you know, it's still, even after you get your hands on it, there is still a learning curve as you have to learn how to trade these new indicators, and of course the daily trade plan. So if you have any questions, or if you want to buy, all you have to do is look right below this video. Okay, so let's say that this is the video. All you got to do is look right below the video on this banner right here. You can click anywhere where it says more here. It'll open up another window. And then of course as you scroll down, as I mentioned earlier, I prefer Skype. Easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link. Then you'll have a direct contact with my Skype, at which point we can do screen sharing. I can answer all your questions, and there's no charge for that service. Keep in mind there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time. You're going to need a lot of demo trading. You're going to need a lot of education, which I can provide, and you're going to need a daily trade plan. You must have some kind of a trade plan. Now when you buy from me, I do give support. And there's a very good chance if you don't get support, you're still more than likely going to fail, because you'll have questions and somebody's got to answer those questions. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now there's 4 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package. Do have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 for free. Keep in mind the Super Scalper does not automatically include the Super Signal Indicator. Now let's see. There's 24 videos in this package, and package 2, How I Trade Live. By the way, I really highly recommend the How I Trade Live Advanced Trading Tips. I'm actually planning on doing 1 more video, a bonus video, so it's going to have 21 training videos. The videos are up to approximately 30 minutes long each, and I came across some more advanced trading tips, and I'm going to do 1 more video within about the next couple of hours. And let's see now, highly recommend you get the advanced trading tips. And of course the other 2 videos or packages have only 4 training videos each package. So as you're continuing to scroll down, I break down each package and all the different things that I teach within each package. How I Trade Live, the Daily Trade Plan EA, focusing on the EA. Easy Trader System, I focus on the Super Signal Indicator, how to trade it. And now, if you have any questions or if you want to buy, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Or, if you want, send me an email. I live in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. And I have to make or at least tell you that due to the fact that I spend many hours, takes me up to 2 weeks to do each package. It takes me many hours, and I don't want to work for free. So once you buy it, you have it, you own it. There's no way I can take it back. So please note there are no refunds. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I'm not sure, depending on how busy we are, as our guests and family is here until this Sunday. So I don't know how many days that I can trade, but trying to do the video and everything, I may not have enough time to do the video for YouTube. So until the next video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? Bye for now.